93 F150 4x4 dash removal. The other videos talked about removing all the screws and feed the wires back. Drop your steering column. I did that. There is a bolt that is above the steering column up under there that you got to take out from underneath. So you do have to drop your steering column. And when you get everything loose, you got to take the dash and pull it up. Just pull up on it over here because it's stuck down there on that pin. So when they say feed your wires through, you're gonna want to go ahead and pull your latch and light, undo that bracket, pull it out, unplug the wire from it, feed it back through the back side. You put your light switch and your wires that come into your instrument cluster, you're going to feed them back through here, pull them out the back side, and then you're going to take like a pin tool back down in here, and you'll pry these clips sideways so you can pull that off. I've already pulled it off. You're gonna have to feed all this carefully back through. Problem with this one was that I cranked it up, started it, the truck died, and I smelt burning wire, so I've got to figure that out. But when you start feeding your cable back through, you'll have these plastic clips will be clipped on top and bottom in this little channel. So you got a clip over here, you got to unplug that. You got a little circuit board here, unbolt it from the inside of the dash first. You'll just feed it through the back side of the glove compartment. You'll unbolt it from in the glove compartment and just work this gently across. Watch out for your heater cables, don't crimp them. Watch out for vacuum lines. Just take your